These instructions should simplify a complex assignment because they take you through it step by step. The graphic organizer is the last posting in the learning module for this assignment. Follow the video to see how to access the postings in the course. Log on to Blackboard. Next, select this course, EDSA510. The home page will open. Look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen and select Learning Modules. When this window opens, click on the learning module due for this session. You will see a graphic organizer for the session under the last heading for step-by-step instructions. The graphic organizer is a pictorial way to organize information and thoughts for understanding, remembering, and writing. In the step-by-step instructions, you also have directions presented in a PowerPoint and in instructional videos, one of which you can download to a handheld device to help you get the assignment right. A pop-up screen and hourglass will appear to let you know that you have to wait for the document to open. When you click on the graphic organizer, the Microsoft Word window opens and you will see the graphic organizer, which you can use as a basis for the 1 to 2 page writing assignment. Then the posting will open behind the download window. Clear the list of downloads with the button in the lower left-hand corner of the pop-up window. Next, close the pop-up window by using the red X in the upper right-hand corner. The assignment and graphic organizer will fill your screen. Click on each of the hyperlinks or blue underlined web addresses to take you to each reading. Alternatively, you can access assignments through the calendar links. Use the slider on the right to see the full screen. Using the course syllabus, select the month your first assignment is due. Click on the green arrowhead at the right to bring up the calendar for the month. Next, follow the link, which is underlined, for your first assignment. Microsoft Word will load, and a download window will appear. You will see the graphic organizer before you. Once you have done the readings, you are ready to apply the main ideas in the national concerns to your school by completing the graphic organizer. Log out of Blackboard while you write your comparison contrast summary in Microsoft Word. It is very important to save every assignment for this class in a folder labeled EDSA510. I suggest you make a new folder for this class entitled EDSA510DLA. To do this, select the button in the File and Folder Tasks toolbar as illustrated. Within the course folder, you can embed another for assignments so you can always find your files for the class. Open the folder you have just created by double-clicking it with the left button on the mouse. Now do what you did before to create another folder, this time entitle it Assignments. To save the file, click on the diskette icon on the left. Word automatically saves your file with the title you have typed in. Alternatively, you can do the following. Use the first button on the extreme left of the Microsoft Word toolbar to give your file a name. Open the Word document in the toolbar menu. Next, type in your last, comma, first names and the assignment number as the file name. Now click on the Save button on the lower right of the screen. You now have your original file, but it is time for the last step, akin to dusting and straightening up, just before the guests arrive. You can easily spell and grammar check your work from within Microsoft Word. Make sure you are in the review screen. Use the first icon on the extreme left. Grammatical errors will be underlined with a green wavy line. As I click on each, a pop-up window will appear with suggestions for improvement. I can choose the change option to correct the error. Then I move on to the following in the text. I can also ask for an explanation of how to correct a highlighted error within the Microsoft Word review pane. Then I get an example of how to improve it. I can correct the error in the dialog window. Then I click the Close button to get rid of the pop-up window. I now return to my document and get rid of the period before the highlighted as to correct the sentence. Misspellings are underlined with a red wavy line. Use the Review tab or right-click on the mouse in the Home tab of Microsoft Word. A pop-up window will appear with suggestions for correcting typos and spelling errors. Click on the appropriate correction for the word in bold red print in your text. When you get the message that your check is finished, click OK to close the window. Next, make sure to save your corrected file. A pop-up window will ask if you want to save the changes to the file with the same name. Click Yes. Finally, close the file. It is ready to insert into your assignment folder for this course and for uploading to the assignment area as an attachment. If you want to review grammar, usage, and punctuation rules, look at the postings in Learning Module 12 for explicit direction. These appeal to every type of learner. Once you have done the first 3 items in Step 6, have someone whose judgment you trust read it over. Alternatively, complete the assignment early and let it sit for a couple of days before you reread it for content and mechanics. By including this step, you will be using the same criteria as I to assess your paper. Now you are ready to post your assignment. Please be aware that if you do not post it in the assignment area, I cannot do anything about returning it to you there until after the late period, as Blackboard automatically locks me out until 2 days after the due date. Select the assignment for Session 2. This window will open. Write something in the submission text box, like "Here it is," or "I am posting the assignment below." Then click on the Attachments text box. Browse the My Documents folder and select the one you set up for this course. Within the Assignments folder, you will find the file you just saved. Click on it to upload it to Blackboard. The Attachment button allows you to preserve original formatting in the assignment rather than posting the assignment in the message window where it will be lost. After you have selected your file for submission, be sure to click the OK button to upload it to the assignment area. When you are finished, always be sure to log out of Blackboard. This step is very important because you will not be able to log in for an hour if you just use the red X to shut down, since the connection will remain open. Not logging out also slows down the Blackboard system for other users. Believe it or not, you have successfully written, edited, revised, and posted the first assignment for this course. The steps in future assignments will follow the same sequence.